Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Toddcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. Today, we're going to talk about something very special, how to focus on yourself.
Yes, this is a wonderful topic. It's not only about English, but also about life.
That's right. Sometimes we are busy helping others or doing many things, and we forget to take care of ourselves.
So today we'll talk about what it means to focus on yourself, why it's important, and how to do it.
And of course, we'll use easy English so everyone can practice listening and speaking.
So what does focus on yourself mean?
Yes, you probably hear this phrase a lot from teachers, friends, or even on social media.
But what does it really mean in simple English?
In today's episode, we'll explain the meaning, give examples, and talk about how you can use it in daily life.
Okay, let's start with the basic meaning. Focus on yourself means to pay attention to your own life, your own goals, and your own feelings, instead of comparing yourself to other people.
Exactly. When you focus on yourself, you spend time improving your own skills or your happiness, not worrying about what others do.
For example, I stopped comparing myself to my friends. Now I focus on myself and my goals.
That's a good example. It means you care about your progress. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I focus on myself. I focus on my goals. I focus on my future.
Nice job. Why focusing on yourself is important. Let's talk about why this is important.
When you focus on yourself, you can grow. You learn new things, you become more confident, and you feel happier.
Yes, but if you always look at others, their jobs, their money, their success, you may feel sad or jealous.
That's right. Everyone has a different story, so focus on improving your own life.
Now, talk with example conversation.
Alex, when did you start focusing on yourself?
Maybe last year. I used to compare myself with my friends. They had better jobs. But then I realized I can't control their life. I can only control mine.
That's a great example. I also used to worry about other people's opinions, but now I just try to do my best and be happy.
What about you listeners? Take a moment and think. What do you want to improve in your life? How to focus in yourself. Let's talk about how to do it.
Yes, here are some easy ways to focus on yourself. 1. Spend time alone. 2. Think about your goals. 3. Learn something new. 4. Exercise or take care of your health. 5. Stop comparing yourself to others.
Those are great. Let's use them in sentences.
I spend time alone to think. I write my goals in a notebook. I learn English every day to improve myself.
I take care of my body and my mind. I don't compare myself with other people.
Now your turn, listener. Repeat after us slowly. Focusing on yourself is not selfish. It's healthy.
Yes, it means you respect your time and energy. For example, if you are tired, you can say, I need some time for myself.
Or, I can't go out tonight. I want to rest and focus on myself.
Let's learn some useful English phrases related to today's topic.
Phrase, take care of yourself, meaning look after your health and feelings. Example, don't work too hard. Take care of yourself. Phrase, believe in yourself, meaning have confidence. Example, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Phrase, love yourself, meaning accept who you are. Example, you are good enough. Love yourself. Phrase, be kind to yourself, meaning don't be too hard on yourself. Example, it's okay to make mistakes. Be kind to yourself.
These phrases all connect with focus on yourself.
That's right. You can use them in daily life to sound more natural.
Repeat after us. I believe in myself. I love myself. I take care of myself. I am kind to myself.
Perfect. Now, let's hear how people use focus on yourself in conversation. For example, my friend got a promotion.
I feel sad, Alex. Don't be sad. Focus on yourself. Your time will come.
I always try to make everyone happy.
You should also think about your happiness. Focus on yourself sometimes.
I started learning English because I want to grow.
That's great. You're focusing on yourself and your goals.
You can practice these small dialogues with a friend.
Now, let's take a short moment to think.
Close your eyes and repeat quietly. I am learning. I am growing. I am focusing on myself.
Good job. You're already improving your English and your mindset.
Let's review what we learned today. 1. Focus on your health and mind. 2. Say no when you need to. 3. Do what you love. 4. Think positive. 5. Keep learning and growing.
Repeat after us. I focus on myself. I take care of my body and mind. I do what makes me happy. I learn and grow every day.
Great job! So remember, focusing on yourself is not selfish. It's smart.
You can only help others when you feel happy and strong inside.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
Please subscribe, share, and keep practicing English every day.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.